This is Denoise, the project we are presenting at Alcova Miami. It's a project that was born in the context of the Master in Visual Arts for the Digital Age in IED Milano. And it's a collective work, so 8 students took care of a different part of the process. So this project was heavily inspired by Gruppo T, a collective of Italian artists that in the 60s were the first to experiment with electronic and physics, and they basically invented the program art. We basically wanted to pay an homage to them in a way that was contemporary, meaningful and respectful. Denoise is a videomapping, so this is digital and physical. We are using a projector in order to paint lights on these wall sculptures.